Today, we will take you through our experience in digital marketing for increased visibility, more clicks, and enhanced conversation for access agriculture. Sure, you all must be using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, or some other platform. You may be having many followers. Please don't worry if you're not using any of this platform. This session will give you enough awareness of recent trends in the digital marketing scenario. Okay, for this session, we will take Access Agriculture's resources as products for brand awareness. Access Agriculture has 200 quality videos in over 90 languages. Each video has a relevant fact sheets. All are available in our website. So our website is our first marketing opportunity for most of our new customers. As you can see in this slide, the number of visitors and downloads are gradually increasing each year. Numbers don't grow just like that. It's not a magic. A lot of hard work that's gone behind the scene. So how we are able to increase brand awareness? How are we able to boost traffic? How are we able to engage with the target audience? Okay, let's first see what's happening in the world of internet. The Internet of Things means connecting all the things in the world to the internet. Every day things get connected for a smarter tomorrow. One example, Internet of Things in agriculture, use of digital tools, drones to help farmers, and many more. You may be seeing it. The Internet of Things is taking place in nearly every industry, as you can imagine. As you can see from this picture, many things happen on the internet for every 60 seconds on the internet. Millions of people are posting, watching, shopping, and sharing like many of you. Branding or brand awareness. Branding is making people aware of our work through graphical representation. To create awareness, we need to do marketing. We need to promote our product across multiple channels. For example, you can see our Access Agriculture logo on business cards, t-shirts, email signature, posters, etc. Anyone recognizing the Access Agriculture logo will say that, hey, I know this organization. They produce farmer-to-farmer quality videos. That's how they relate to the brand and feel curious to visit our website. And let's now look at the marketing. Marketing is an ongoing communications exchange with customers. It informs them, it builds a relationship over time. There are two kinds of marketing. One is the digital marketing, second is the traditional marketing. And you can see here various types of traditional marketing and digital marketing. The COVID situation has brought us many types of innovation in digital marketing. One good example is the recent live streaming of award ceremony when Access Agriculture receiving Innovation Award from FAO and Swiss government. Another example, Access Agriculture set up its exhibition in a virtual platform and shared the links to its partners around the world. We helped launch a virtual film festival last month on EcoAgtube platform. At the same time, we continue to do traditional marketing through printed leaflets, posters, banners for local events. So you can combine your digital efforts with the traditional advertising and get more visibility. As we have a very limited time, we will limit our discussion to a few topics. Let's start with the SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Don't get scared of all this big words. It's a very simple one. Everyone can do it these days. You don't need a programmer or a specialized person for all this work. You know what is a search engine. You have seen Google search pages, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo. Those are called search engines. For example, you search in a Google, say Chris, December 2021, Access Agriculture, and you see that the research result comes up on Google's first page, first rank. Do the same thing in Microsoft Bing. Just do the search for winner Access Agriculture. You can see the result on the first page, first rank. How is it done? Just by optimizing metadata. Metadata is nothing but this title and the text that's showing here, and that comes up on the search pages. We include relevant keywords, title, description that makes the search engines to bring the search results on first page, first place. Why this is important? Why should it come in the first page and first rank? So that users will click on the search result and come to our website. So keep the metadata short. Google cuts off meta descriptions. And if it's beyond 160 characters, it's not going to take it in the system at all. Think of metadata as advertisement for your content. These search results are organic or unpaid rankings in search results. Let's now move on to the content marketing. Content marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach new customers. It drives traffic to your website. For example, Access Agriculture content includes 200 quality videos, over 90 languages. We have 200 podcast episodes on Apple, Google, Spotify, and TuneIn, all those platforms. Around 640 YouTube summary videos are also there, blogs, brochure, fact sheets, and many more. Access Agriculture conducted an online survey in the beginning of this year, and it showed over 800,000 people visited the site and downloaded our content. As you can see the numbers here, 75% videos, fact sheets, GGP, publications, audios, and all numbers you are able to see it. Website should have a new content all the time. Imagine if a website has got 10 pages from the day 1 to 10 years, the Google will not be able to crawl and take the text and index them. So the new content, new search, and basically the blog post of the effective one that will increase the traffic. The new content can be audio podcasts also. It reaches out to the people who listens to podcasts. Listeners will also find a link back to your site. So content like the YouTube videos, podcasts, blog posts, they all create a potential traffic sources for your website. So content marketing is increasing more traffic, more leads, and more sales. Social media marketing, I don't need to say many things about it. You all are expert in this area, but let me just talk a few things and then we move on to the next subject. You all are familiar with the social media. Apart from these platforms, Access Agriculture uses 642 YouTube summaries, Pinterest, Flickr, audio podcasts, and quite a few platforms. For Facebook marketing, post information in a consistent manner. Posts should have a relevant and attractive images. Keep short descriptions. Live dialogues, quiz, contest, survey promotion. These are the things will increase public involvement. For a Twitter marketing, use keyword hashtags. That's pretty important. Include website links in tweets. Keep it simple. Schedule and publish your post with this, the hot suit, buffers, social. And you can also monitor the activities across all platforms, social accounts, with the social media management tools. And apart from the Twitter and Facebook, you can also be part of the social audio app like a Clubhouse. You can participate in Clubhouse and also storytelling platforms and use the shorthand for a visual storytelling platforms. This is all to engage with your audience in a better way. And social commerce, it's not a new thing. It's basically e-commerce. You all know about e-commerce, where every website that sells products. And this is a way of selling these days that's changed. You be in the social media, create a community, you go to the marketplace, you compare the stuff, and you get the feedback immediately from your Facebook people. So it's basically e-commerce transaction where buyers and sellers interact on social media platforms. Meta for business, it's the Facebook company is Meta. Most of you know about it. And Facebook for business is now Meta for business. Grow your business across Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Shopping, Pinterest Shopping. And if you have an account with the Shopify and WooCommerce, you can connect to this Facebook and Instagram Shopping. If you are really looking for a cost-effective advertising strategy to reach new customers, I would definitely recommend social media as something to consider. Email campaign, email marketing is one of the oldest form of digital marketing, but still it's one of the most effective strategy. Emails are a great way to connect with your current and potential customers. You can send newsletters. You can see it. This is our latest newsletter. We sent it out yesterday. You must have seen it. If not, go to our website and then look for the newsletter. You see all the archives for the last 2 years we have been storing it. And you can send these newsletters or information about new products or services through the email. As you can see here, we have got 1,500 email contacts. Out of this, 6,000 have opened our newsletter content. 3,000 people have clicked on the newsletter links. It means that they have revisited our website. It's a new customers, new registrations. You send them information to them through email. They look at it, click, and then get back to your website. So this is all increasing traffic to your website. For a high open rate and the high click rate, we use attractive subject line and attractive newsletter design. For email marketing, please keep in mind the General Data Protection Legislation, which is called GDPR. It's a European Union law on data protection and privacy. For example, Access Agriculture can send newsletters to those who have ticked the box during the registration for receiving information. Mobile marketing, you all know about it. You all are doing it. Another strategy is marketing enough. I mean, there's no limit to the cell phone marketing, mobile marketing. So you can use any mobile devices such as tablets, smartphone, via WhatsApp, app. So we regularly send information to our followers, forum users through WhatsApp forum. You can see that our executive director is sitting here, and last week she was in UK attending some conference. That went out immediately. There were quite a lot of sharing that happened. And also you can see the new video that comes out from Access Agriculture immediately shared on the Access Agriculture forum. And we will soon launch our app, which will have the entire video library collections. We will keep you informed through this WhatsApp or email content. This is our smart projector. This smart projector is another means. Over 100 entrepreneurs for rural access in 11 African countries and in India. They all are using the smart projector to showcase our videos to farmers. Google Ads, you all may be using it. I'm not sure about it, but must have heard about it. Google Ads is a Google online advertising program. See in this figure here, anyone searching from any part of the world, searching for a quiz, Access Agriculture, this is how it will appear in their screen. So this is called impression. You can see that impression, how many numbers that's taken, 3.42 million impressions. And if anyone is interested, the person will click on this, and that will take the user to the quiz page of Access Agriculture site. This is called clicks. So far, we have got 201,000 clicks. This is the last 2 years data. It's not from the beginning of Access Agriculture that was born in 2012. So it's just the last 2 years. And this is how it appears on the cell phones. And we can reach our users with the right keywords, innovative titles, and descriptions. We can target our Google Ads to selected country or selected city. We can easily measure the impact of our advertisement. Access Agriculture has so far launched 92 campaigns At present, 55 live campaigns are running. We have, as I told you, 3.4 million impressions. And each clicks we pay to Google. You'll be shocked. I mean, why are we paying? Because advertisement, you can't have it freely. There are free advertisement. That is the one coming out of the SEO, social engine optimization. That one is organic, but this is paid advertisement. So you can see pay per click process here. The advertisers pays only when someone clicks on the advertisement, not when they see the advertisement, not when they see the impression. When they click on it, they pay for it. So in SEO, that's search engine optimization, you don't have to pay for clicks on search results. Organic clicks are 100% free. You can use a software like a WordStream for creating smart ads. Google Analytics. Okay, we need to find out the performance of our products. You saw our products, that's been put on the website. The visitors are coming in and they are downloading the videos, downloading the fact sheets, but you don't know who is downloading at what time and who is staying in a page for how long, which video is downloaded, how many minutes they watch that video. So why do we have to do that? To find out the consumer preference, consumer interest. Based on that, we can come up with the new products and increase our business. So just to find out how many users are using them so that we can improve our business. This is where the Google Analytics also points out where to focus our efforts. One is the registration, videos downloaded, fact sheets downloaded. Google Analytics 4, this is a next generation in the Google Analytics. The total scenario is changing. Data is gold these days. I mean, the data is perfect data, pure data. The value goes up in a big way. So Google has introduced something called Google Tag Manager. In short, we all call it GTM. GTM helps manage many tags. Tags these days, it's all put in a container. I don't want to get into a technical thing. Just understand the bit and then go into Google's and then read about it. This is free. Google Analytics is free. Google Ads, you pay for it. Anyone having a website, anyone having a Facebook, you can connect your site with the Google Analytics, get all the data. It's the GTM, the Google Tag Manager I'm talking about it, is nothing but a tracking code that's included in your web pages. Each web page will have a tracking code, and that's just to measure the effectiveness of websites, how they contribute to the overall goals of the business. With the Google Tag Manager, you can customize the data that's sent to analytics. Earlier, the website used to directly send the data directly to the analytics, but you have another medium that's called GTM. So it goes to the GTM to Google Analytics. Or if it's all terrible to understand, you can use Alexa. Alexa is another platform where you get a basic data. If you're satisfied with that, you can also get some information about your product. And engagement analytics. We have been continuously doing brand awareness, promotion, campaigns. Hey, see this, do this, do that. Is there any effect on that? You can see this brand awareness increased. This is a lifetime, the statistics we have put in here. You can see that Access Agriculture has got 2,927 videos. How 200 videos become 2,000? We have each 200 videos are in 90 plus languages. That's how it came to this many. You have the subscribers. We have 22,929 subscribers. Google Ads impression goes up. We have quite a few platforms. We all are there. You might ask why so many platforms are used. Why not just limit to one YouTube, one Instagram, or one podcast? We have audience everywhere. One may not follow all channels at all time. So these platforms are free. So why not use them? Determine your goals first. Then you can derive your KPIs. KPIs is key performance indicators. And then use Google Analytics to monitor your KPIs. KPIs. Okay. This is something new to all of you. I don't think so. Many of you must have heard about EcoAgtube or using or uploaded, or you all have a channel. This is an initiative of Access Agriculture. There's no other platform like EcoAgtube. It's totally dedicated to agroecology. It started with Actube. Now we have an improved version, EcoAgtube. It's just a baby, 8 months old, but it has got 10 projects, 540 channels, 1,689 moderated channel videos, 1,987 subscribers. And the channels are for individuals. The project section is for organizations to post videos on their projects or initiatives. You can see your channel analytics. You can also see the project analytics and constant promotion that happens for EcoAgtube. If you create your channel and put your videos there, and that's promoted through all channels. As you can see the numbers here, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and also we promote through Google Ads. You can see close to 39,000 impressions that we have, these many clicks, and we are spending and promoting your video. And we are continuously adding new features, improving users' experience. And all this EcoAgtube business is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. Free registration, free uploading, free creating your own channel. So much of our work that goes through digital marketing. It's an ocean. There's so many things that one can do. What I have taken up, just a 5 or 6, that we are doing it. We are quite satisfied with the results. And you may want to see the results now. Okay, our efforts have contributed to a big win. Last month, Access Agriculture received a prestigious award from FAO and Swiss government. Many organizations, they now want to partner with Access Agriculture. Don't you think it's worth doing this massive exercise? Don't you want to do this also for your business? Thank you, listeners.